gamers, welcome back. Today I got here my 2022 CB500X, and I'm going to do a quick oil change. Let's get to it. For this job, you will need 2.6 liters of oil, or 2.7 US quarts. I will also be using the Honda oil filter. I will include the part number in the description below. You will also need some tools to remove the oil filter, and a 12 mil to remove the drain plug. The first thing I'm going to do is warm the bike up to ensure a complete and rapid drain. The drain plug is located on the left side of the vehicle, right there. And it is a 12 mil plug. Now that I have the bike warmed up and the drain pan in place, I'm going to take a 12 mil socket with a 6-inch extension and remove the drain plug. Once most of the oil is drained out, I'm going to pick the bike up off the kickstand and lean it over to the other side to try and get as much of the old oil out as possible. Once the oil is completely drained, we can reinstall the drain plug. The drain plug sealing washer can usually be used a few times. Once it starts to look squished and bent, it's time to replace it. The torque spec for our oil drain bolt is 22 foot-pounds. Next, I'm going to move on to the oil filter. It is located on the front of the motor, right behind the exhaust pipe. Right there. On my bike, I have the Rally Raid skid plate, so I'm going to have to remove this front guard here. There are 3 10 mils holding the guard on, and I only have to loosen them up, and then I can remove the guard and then take out the oil filter. Before installing the new oil filter, take a clean cloth and wipe around the sealing surface on your motor. Also take a little bit of used engine oil and rub it around the seal on the new oil filter. I'm going to install the oil filter as tight as I can by hand, and then I'll use the ratchet here to give it another 1/8 of a turn, and that'll be plenty tight. Now just reinstall the guard if you have one. Now I'm going to refill the oil through the fill cap right here on the right side of the motor. There is a sight glass down here, and I'm going to fill it to the top line on the sight glass. And remember, to properly set the oil level, the bike needs to be sitting straight up and down. Now that I got the oil back in the bike, I'm going to reinstall the cap, start it up, let it warm up for a little while, and then double check the oil level. Now that I've ran the bike, the oil level has went down a little ways, so I'm going to fill it up the rest of the way and call it done. Perfect. You should see just a little bubble at the top of the sight glass. This is what your sight glass should look like when the oil level is properly filled. This is also a good time to go around your bike, take a good look over, check the tire pressures, brakes, and chain tension. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my oil change on the 2022 CB500X. Ride safe.